Hello everyone, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to discuss about the 7th chapter, that is school. Okay, so before going to this chapter, once we just recall all the chapters. That is first chapter, that about myself. Okay, so in that we have discussed about our body parts. After that, second chapter, that is being healthy. In that we have discussed about how we can be a healthy person and which good habits we have to follow. Next, in the third chapter we have discussed about being safe. So in that chapter we have discussed about how we be a safe. Safe means being safe from the harmful condition, and in that we have learned some rules, safety rules. So after that, the next chapter, that is my family and me. So in that chapter we have discussed about our family members, who is mother, who is father, and about grandparents, cousins. So that all we have discussed in the family and me. So next, fifth chapter, that is my neighborhood. So in that chapter we have discussed about our neighborhood, like market, school, hospital, post office. So those are all called as our neighborhood. So after that, the sixth chapter, that is people who help us. That is at the school, teachers, cleaners, gardeners. So those bus driver, these all people help at the school. Hospitals, in hospital, doctors and nurses help us. Market, greengrocers, all the shopkeeper, they help us, is it? So after that, in post office, postmaster and postman. And in fire station, firefighters. Okay, in police station, polices and constable, traffic polices. So these all people help us. So this is about the all 6 chapter. So after completion of this chapter, we will move towards the next chapter, that is school. Okay, so by hearing this word sound, what you feel? Yes, what is school? School is nothing but it is a place where you can earn the things. You can learn many more things from your teachers, from your friends. Okay, so what is school here? School is nothing but it is a place for the learning purpose. Here we learn many subjects, we learn discipline and how to respect our parents. That also we learn in the school, is it? Then in that school one word will come, that is classmate. Who is classmate here? The one who is studying in your class. For them we call it as the classmates. And school is a building where so many classrooms are there. So in that your class also is there, and other from 1st standard to 10th, all classes are there. Okay, so this is about the basic introduction about the school. Before going to the chapter, first they have given one warm-up exercise. See here, the students of class 2, means 2nd standard students, they are talking about their school. Okay, like you only, here some students are there, your friends are there, they are talking about their school. And what you have to do means here, help them to write the names of the places in the school. So what we have to do, they are writing about our school, about their school. In that we have to help them for writing these words. See, first put the column. So first we will solve the warm up exercise. So like this, put columns. See how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the columns. And see how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so write down the words. They have given some letters. C, L, 1, 2, 3. Leave 3 boxes. After that, write down R, O, and in the last cell, to write M. Next here, in first column, P, leave 1 box, write a letter A. After that, leave 1 more box and write letter G. Here, O, and in the last, that is D. Okay. Next column, L, B, A and Y. And last column, that is S, T, leave 2 boxes. After that, write here F, R, leave 2 boxes and write here M. So this is your warm up exercise. So how to solve this exercise? See, so first try to solve first row, that is, it is a place where you can learn the things. It is one room. So in that you studied, you learned many more things. What we call for that? See, starting from CL. Yes, can you guess which is the word? The starting from CL. That is nothing but classroom. Yes. So you have to fill that box with the remaining letters. CLASSRO. Here another one O. After that, room. So read this word, that is classroom. CLASSROOM. So this is classroom. In that we learn many more things, many subject. After that, the next row, you know PE period. So in that period what you do? You go for the playing purpose. Where you go? In the garden, in the corridor. Where you go? You go in the playground. So the word which is starting with P means here you go for the playground for playing the games. Okay. So fill the next boxes with the word that is playground. Playground, playground. This is the place which is present in the school where you go for the playing purpose. Next, the word which is starting from L. I'll give one hint. So this is a place where a lots of books are there. This is the room in the school where a lots of books are there. In that room we go for study purpose. So which is that place? Yes, obviously it is library. In library so many books are there and you go for there for reading purpose. Okay, so which is the word? That is library. Library, library. Okay, so library is a place or it is a one room. In that room a lot of books are kept for reading purpose. That is called as the library. Next word we just see ST. Can you guess the word which is starting from S and T letter? See, I'll give one clue, that is, this is one room where your teachers take rest, or your teachers, they sit in this room. What is that room? Office, library, playground or staff room? Yes, so that is nothing but staff room. In that room our teachers, they sit and they discuss, whatever concept they are going to discuss with that lessons they are learning. Okay, so they take rest in that staff room. Okay, so which is the next word? That is STAFFROOM. This is nothing but staff room. The first word, that is classroom, playground, library and staff room. So this is your warm up exercise. Hope you understood how to solve this puzzle or this warm up exercise. So note it down in your notebook. So after this we will see some basic things about the school. So put the heading as school. What is school here? School is nothing but it is a place for learning many things. It is a place for learning many things. So in the school we learn subjects, some good habits. Okay. After that, this school have building. In that building we have classrooms. Okay, so in that building we have some rooms and those rooms we call it as the classroom. And here the children who are studying in the same class. Okay, suppose consider you are studying in second standard. So the whatever children who are studying in that class only, in second standard only, those children are called as your classmates. Who is classmate? The children who are studying in the same class are called as the classmates. So write down second point, that is we learn many things in the school. So this is about basic things about the school. What is school? So in the next class we are going to discuss about in detail about school, which concept you learn in the school, which activities you do. Okay, that all we will discuss in the next class. Today we are going to discuss only about the basic things. Okay, so school is nothing but it is the place of learning many things, and we learn many things, that subject like sports, singing, drawing, all those things we learn in the school. Next, that is school have buildings with classrooms, Then who is classmates? Classmates are nothing but the children who are studying in the same class are called as the classmates. Okay, so if you are studying in first standard or second standard, okay, so in that classroom, who are the children who are studying with your classroom only? Those are called as the classmates. The children studying in the same class. Okay, if the children who are studying in the same class are called as what? Called as classmates. Okay, so this is about the basic things about the school. What is school? It is a place for the learning purpose. We learn in the school many things, and this school have building with the classrooms, and the children who are studying in the same class are called as the classmates. Okay, so let us finish today's class. In the next class we are going to discuss about the remaining part, that is how we learn at the school, what are the activities, and who are the people who help us, and some rules, safety rules, some good habits that we are going to discuss in the next class. Till that, dear students, bye bye, take care.